Hey besties, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. In today's video, I'm super excited because we're going to be doing a Colourpop collection video. This collection is called By the Rose collection. For some reason, I keep wanting to call it like By the Bushel collection, which is like a lip scrub that I used to own. I don't know why I keep wanting to call it that, but I'm super excited. Let's start with how much this collection was because I love talking to you guys about prices. The collection is $75, but if you buy everything separate, then it would be $80, which to me, if there's some things you don't like in this collection, I just wouldn't pick them up. I would just go the separate route, but if you do like every single thing, definitely $5 is $5, like I always say, so definitely get the whole collection there. Now this comes with one palette, which is called By the Rose. This is $14. I really love the bubbles. And then this is what she looks like. Really beautiful. Can I just say this also took like a really long time to get to me. I ordered this the day it came out and it feels like it took like 2 weeks. And then it comes with 3 Super Shock cheeks and each one individually is $8. And then we get 3 Fresh Kiss lip lacquers, which are also $3, besties. Oh wait, and then you get a, what is this? This is a Sip Sip Hooray Super Shock Shadow Kit. So it's $16, but the full value, if you bought every single one separate, would be $18. So yeah, you get 3 Super Shock cheekies. And of course, we'll swatch everything. I think that one's a little bit broken. I actually really love this look on Colourpop's promo. I think that's actually really, really beautiful. So I kind of want to try to do like my own version of that today. I'll try to like replicate it 100%, but mine might come out a little bit different. But we're going to try to do that on the eyes because that looks actually really stunning. And this is what they look like on the inside. Really beautiful if you like burgundy and pink shades. Also very beautiful shimmer selection in here as well. I feel like by now, you guys know I really love maroon, burgundies, all that good stuff. I really, really do. So I'm going to go ahead and take a tiny brush to start. Little blender, baby. And we're just going to take, it looks like, I guess, this shade right here, which is called Effervescent. And I'll go deeper if I need to. I'm just starting with that one on my skin because I'm super duper pale. So I want to see if it's very pigmented. If it's not, I'll go in with the deeper shade. And working that in the crease alone. Just like that. And I think that this shade is actually really, really beautiful. And as you can see, it definitely does have some pigmentation. And then I want to take this angled brush, which is actually supposed to be for eyebrows, I think. And I'm going to go into the deeper shade, this one right here, which is called Savor It. Love that name. And usually I would try to take tape when I'm doing this. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. And kind of just flick this out. And then connect another line right there. Okay, and then usually what I would do is I would put a little bit on the lid to make it look like a real liner, but she's not doing that, so we're not going to do that. And actually, she doesn't keep it looking like an actual liner like I have right here, which is also really cute. What she actually looks like she does is she straight up like takes another brush and kind of like fades it away. Which that actually looks really cool. Now I'm going to cut the crease with this Luxie brush. Sorry you guys, when I'm doing something like this, I really have to like hold my breath and I can't really talk too much. And now we get to play the game of which shadow did she use, and I feel like the only obvious one would have to be Cheers Babe right here. This one, which, I mean, I don't know. It doesn't really look like she used any of these, but we're going to try Cheers Babe. And then I am going to, no. No, I'm going to wet the brush. And she's only putting this on like the inner area right here. And then only up on the top right here. Like not the whole lid. And I think that's actually really pretty. Is it like my everyday look? No, I probably would have kept this like an actual line, but I think it definitely looks different and definitely looks interesting. So I'm gonna go do the other side, and then I will also put mascara and lashes on so we can play with all of the cheek products, lip products. The Super Shocks. I will of course swatch the Super Shocks, I just won't put them on the eyes. Alright besties, I am back, and one thing is for certain, these lashes are so big. I totally did not mean to choose such huge lashes. If I could go back, I definitely would do smaller lashes, but I just don't want to get this lash line all gunky, so I'm just gonna stick with these. But just know if I could go back, definitely would for sure go with some nicer, wispier lashes, but can't go back now. I think now I want to show you guys the Super Shock Trio. So again, these are $8, and this one is in the shade Loungin'. Really, really pretty. Swatch that on the back of my hand. This is Loungin'. This is Sundress. Ooh, Sundress is really beautiful, and that one's a little bit more reflective and creamy. And then this is the broken one called It's a Vibe, which I gotta be really careful swatching it, but that's what she looks like. It's probably my favorite one too, which is kind of upsetting. Oh yeah, that one has like a more orangey tone to it. Moving on now to the Fresh Kiss lipsticks or lip lacquers. I'm going to swatch them all for you, and then we'll just choose the one we want to put on today. This one is in the shade Spritz Me. That's cute. Ooh, deep shades. I guess that's what you should expect, huh? What? This one is in the shade It's On Me. I'm going to try to open this one. Okay, there we go. I'm not sure what happened with the other one, but we'll have to figure that out. And I've never tried this formula before. That one is really, really beautiful, and I can smell the smell from like it being over here and open. It smells really, really good actually. Ooh, okay, I really enjoy the fragrance. And here we go. This is the Spritz Me one, opened up. I was really confused there. Oh, this is like deep. So these are like kind of glossy. They feel a little glossy on the hand for sure. Ooh, these look really pretty. And then we have First Glass, which is the most nudie looking one. Ooh, I'll probably go with that one today. I know that's probably boring, but I'm probably gonna go with that one today. You know what, maybe we shouldn't be basic. Maybe we should go in with an actual color. let's put this one on first. Oh, I really love that smell, and it's actually really strong. Ooh, okay, pigment. It's like a thick kind of gloss, it feels like. Maybe it like dries down over time. But right now it's really just giving me gloss vibes. Just like a thicker consistency kind of gloss, and I really like it. Yeah, I'm sorry you guys, I got comfortable. We're doing this one, but these are the other shades for you to also look at if you are curious. I just really like this one quite a bit actually. I'll probably create a short later on though today, and I'll use all three of those so you guys can see what they all look like on the lips. How about that? That's what we'll do. Okay, and then we have the last product, oh my gosh, which is going to be, I'm missing one. Here we go. The Super Shock Cheeks, which there's 3 shades, so let's get into it, into the swatches. So we have Sounds Grape. Ooh, it's like a putty. I don't know why I'm acting surprised because I already have like 2 Super Shock Cheeks. This feels really, really nice and creamy. They do have like a pearl, so they're definitely not going to be matte. That's for sure. We have the shade No Way, and again, these are $8. Oh, I love how these feel. That is what No Way looks like. Aw, and then we have At First Blush. That one looks like it might be a little bit intimidating, so let's see. Oh yeah, that's like a very, very, very light pink. So out of all of these, the one I'm resonating with the most is definitely going to be No Way. Definitely going to be No Way, but the others are also really beautiful. So I'm going to use a little blender. This one is just so beautiful, you guys. And I'm just going to add this on the apples of the cheeks. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, 1 second. Ah! Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Obviously, I forgot the intensity and the punch that these pack. Okay, let's just blend, 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 blend. And the shine is not extreme, you guys. It's minimal, but you definitely can see it's there. So if you're not into highlighter, but you do like that slight shine, then you could get away with this one because there are baby pearls inside. Yeah, that kind of ate up my bronzer, but you know what? Blush contour is definitely a thing, and it's really in right now. So, yeah, gonna go in a little bit light-handed on the other side, because, yeah, you see, even going in lighter, you still get, whoa, so much pigment. I don't remember these being this pigmented. Or maybe the shades that I do own aren't, like, this dramatic. I mean, yeah, you guys, like, look, like, if I take this and, like, I just, like, swatch, 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 like it really goes a long way. So take it from me, a little is gonna go a very, 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 very long way. I might even say if you're gonna use a blender, go into your hand first and kind of just pat and then go onto your cheek, especially if you're like really fair like me, because if you don't, ooh, you are gonna have to do some quality control for sure. But yeah, learn from my mistakes, go in lighter. That's the best way, because you see that? That's way better, I feel like, than over here. I mean, I think I was able to blend it out really nicely. And I think blush lovers will probably prefer this side opposed to this side. But yeah, I do really like it. It has a beautiful shine from within, glow from within. And if you're into that kind of blush, then go for it. If you like a matte blush, you will hate this. You won't like it. You won't. So adding a little bit on the nose as well because I'm really into that kind of look. Dang, I think that's everything, you guys. That's the whole collection. I personally did enjoy the collection. The blushes are definitely something you need to be careful with. The palette was beautiful. The lip lacquers, I think that might be one of my new favorite formulas because these are so beautiful, very, very shiny on the lips. I don't know what I was expecting, but it definitely wasn't this. This is like really, really calling to my name right now, especially with the shade that I have on. And definitely be on the lookout though for the short that I will create soon where I do test out all of the shades. And yeah, what else was it? The Super Shocks were probably my least favorite just because some of the shades I don't think I would use like every day all over the lid. A little intimidating for me personally. Maybe I will get use out of them though, who knows. And yeah, you guys, I really love everything that I tried. I'm like sitting here trying to make sure I went over everything. But yeah, the blushes for sure, just go in with the light hand and you'll get a really, really beautiful look. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you did and leave a like below and a comment of your favorite item in here. And I will see you in the next one, besties. Bye!